Hello students, Nimshi Taylor here, back with you. I'm very glad to be back with you. Previous chapter 11, I covered positive sentence for you in present perfect tense, possible sentence. In chapter 12, I will be covering negative sentence, rejecting sentence. And I will be explaining you in English as well as in Hindi. Thank you. Chapter 12, Past Participle Tense, Negative Sentence and Questions. For negative sentence and questions, got is compulsory. We use negative to deny something you have or others have. If you want to ask what others have, we can use questions. Now we will see the structure of both. Subject plus haven't, hasn't, got. Object. Here I would like to give you some explanation. In positive sentence, I told you got is optional. You could use got and make sentence, or if you don't want to use got, you could get direct question. I have pen, I have book. But in negative sentence, you must and should use got. I haven't got pen, I haven't got book. In this way, you could compulsorily use got in a negative form. Negative sentence को आप पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. got नहीं तो भी मेरे साथ पेन है, मेरे साथ बुक है, ऐसे. और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में आपको गॉट यूज़ करके सेंटेंस बनाना है. इधर आई हैवन गॉट, मेरे साथ नहीं है पेन, मेरे साथ नहीं है बुक. सो आपको इधर एग्जाम्पल्स है, मीनिंग मिल जाएगा. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैवंट, हैजंट, गॉट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट बोला तो वस्तु होता है, थिंग्स. haven't is used for plural, I, we, you, they. hasn't is used for he, she, it, third person. Here some examples are there. Subject, position, negative, object. Object means this one. Negative, reject, not. This is also position, negative. Subject, I means first person using. I haven't got bad habits. I haven't got, मेरे को bad habits नहीं है. Bad habits बोला तो आदत. Bad आदत. ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए, ज़्यादा झूठ बोलने के लिए आप बैड हैबिट्स बोलता है. सो आप यूज़ कीजिए इसे. वी हैवन गॉट हर हाउस, हम लोग का घर नहीं है. यू हैवन गॉट चिल्ड्रन, आपको बच्चे नहीं हैं. दे हैवन गॉट टैक्सी, उन लोग के लिए टैक्सी नहीं है. शी हैज़न्ट गॉट पिस्तौल, पिस्तौल बोला तो गन होता है, गन. ही हैज़न्ट गॉट मच डाउट, उसको डाउट नहीं है. इट हैज़न्ट गॉट 4 legs. You could take as a table or chair. It hasn't got 4 legs. you get better meanings here in a sentence. Examples, you can get your negative sentence. It's rejecting sentence. I haven't got an office. मेरे को ऑफिस नहीं है. We haven't got a plasma television. हम लोग को प्लाज्मा टीवी नहीं है. प्लाज्मा टीवी बोला तो टीवी का नाम. We haven't got a Hiva TV. आइवा भी बोल सकते हैं इधर चेंज करके. You haven't got any bad habits. आपको बुरा आदत नहीं है. They haven't got a computer. उन लोग के साथ कंप्यूटर नहीं है. He hasn't got a house. उसके साथ घर नहीं है रहने के लिए. She hasn't got gold bangles. उसके साथ gold bangles नहीं हैं. It hasn't got 4 legs. You could take as a table. टेबल को 4 पाँव नहीं हैं. Bangalore has got a nice climate. Bangalore has got a nice climate. बैंगलोर में अच्छी क्लाइमेट है. ये पॉजिटिव होता है सेंटेंस. आपको इधर नेगेटिव डालने से NT ये सेंटेंस चेंज होता है. नहीं है बोलने को. बैंगलोर hasn't got a nice climate. Just using N and T apostrophe T, you could get the sentence into negative. Questions and questions structure. Question and structure. Have slash has plus object plus got plus object. वस्तु. Have used for I, we, you, they. Has is used for third person he, she, it. This is a 2 questions are there. I'll make the question and answer. This is a question. I'll give you positive and negative. Have you got a pen? I have a pen. It's a positive. I haven't got a pen. That is a negative. Has he got a toy? I have a toy. Positive it is. I haven't got a toy. It is a negative. Assignment. Think about what you haven't got in your neighborhood or village or state. What you don't have in your state or village, you could use, or in your small town. We could use your we. We means for everybody. There people stay, they don't have something there like hospitals, good malls, good bus stops, good railway stations, etc. So we will use your we. We could make few sentences here. I will make few sentences for you. We haven't got good schools in our state. We haven't got good shopping malls in our state. We haven't got good hospitals in our town or village. You could take. I'll tell you in Hindi. हम लोग का अच्छी स्कूल नहीं है हमारा स्टेट में. हम लोग का गुड शॉपिंग मॉल्स नहीं हैं हमारा विलेज में, हमारा स्टेट में. We haven't got good hospitals. हम लोग का अच्छी हॉस्पिटल नहीं है हमारा विलेज में. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं आप. और भी ज़्यादा सेंटेंस कर सकते हैं इधर. Exercise. Put haven't, hasn't in the following sentence into negative form. Here you have to. Ravi नेगेटिव नॉट नहीं है. रवि hasn't got her blue car. उसके पास रवि के साथ ब्लू कार नहीं है. मनी hasn't got long hair. मनी को लंबी बाल नहीं है. We haven't got a son. हम लोग को सन नहीं है. haven't got. They haven't got a school or college. They haven't got. बोला तो वो लोग को स्कूल नहीं है, कॉलेज नहीं है. My parents hasn't got good status. मेरा पेरेंट्स को अच्छी स्टेटस नहीं है. हमारा विलेज में. द शॉप hasn't got 4 doors. एक शॉप, वन शॉप. द शॉप को 4 डोर नहीं है. एक शॉप को 4 डोर नहीं है. माई grandfather hasn't got teeth. मेरा ग्रैंडफादर को दांत नहीं है. teeth बोला तो दांत. Arrange the following sentence in the correct order. Negative form. You have to arrange these few sentences here. रवि पहले ही लेता है. Now Ravi hasn't got a ring. Ravi hasn't got a ring. You could make a sentence. रवि के पास रिंग नहीं है. I haven't got a camera. I haven't got a camera. मेरे साथ कैमरा नहीं है. The teacher hasn't got many books. The teacher hasn't got many books. टीचर के पास ज़्यादा बुक नहीं है. ज़्यादा बुक नहीं है, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, ऐसे बना सकते हैं. The lion hasn't got a cub. The lion hasn't got a cub. cub बोला तो छोटा लायन. उसको बेबी लायन बोल सकते हैं, बट अंडरस्टैंड के लिए. सो एनिमल्स बेबी को बच्चे नहीं बोलते हैं. टाइग्रेस हैज़ गिवन cubs. टाइग्रेस दिया है फीमेल टाइगर cubs, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं आप. I would like to teach you few verbs, the tenses of some irregular verbs. Chapter 25. Last time I have given you, I told you I'll be teaching, it's in your book, but still I'm not teaching you because so that it will be easy for you to learn every day. I have explained to you 10. Bring from the bite I will read for you, because pronunciation is very very essential when you interact with others. So I will read, you follow my accent. Bite, biting, bit, bitten. Blow, blowing, blew, blown. Build, building, built, built. T sound here comes. Burn, burning, burnt, burnt. I am tracing and reading for you little bit. By buying, bought, bought. ये bow sound here, B-O. Bow, bowing, bowed, bowed. Catch, catching, caught, caught. Chew, chewing, chewed, chewed. Come, coming, came, come. Choose, choosing, chose, chosen. Here we shall stop, it's 10. I will tell you the meaning. Here bite, bite means bite an apple and eat. Bite करके apple खाना. Blow, फूकना. Blow, blow the dust. Blow the balloons. You could use like that. फूकना, balloon. Build, बांधना. Build something, build your house, build the compound, बांधना. Burn, burn something, papers, etc. जलाना, जला. Buy, buy something from the shop, you buy. खरीदो. Bow, झुकना, सर झुकना में हम लोग गॉड के पास जाके हमारा सर झुकता है. झुक के सलाम कहता है उसको, गॉड को. झुकना. Bow your head before your parents. You could use that way. Catch, catch your dog, catch him. पकड़ो. Chew, chew, put it in your mouth, chew nicely and eat. Then you take, that is called chew. चिवाना, अच्छे से मुंह में डाल के चिवा के खाना. Come, come, home, आना. चूज़ करना. चूज़ बोला तो सेलेक्ट करना. उतना ही मालूम है. हिंदी लोग सेलेक्ट करना ही बोलता है. मैं आपसे सीखी हूँ हिंदी. सो हुई सेलेक्ट. चूज़ बोला तो सेलेक्ट करना यूज़ कीजिए. नो इश्यू अबाउट इट. I have covered chapter 12. Next chapter I will be covering chapter 13. So kindly go through that chapter 11 and 12. So you will know the difference between the chapter, positive and negative in that two chapter. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe, give me a like, it will encourage me to teach you more. Thank you.